Guys, welcome back for another video of Service Reset My Car. Today I'm going to show you I can reset the surface or the inspection indicator of a Volkswagen T Roc R model. This one comes from 2022. There's slightly different buttons on the steering wheel. The navigation system is slightly different. That's why I made this video on how to show you to reset the inspection and the oil surface indicator. Let's start right away. When we turn the ignition off and turn back on the ignition, you'll see there is an indicator popping up over here that says please have your vehicle inspected. Scroll through the menu to find driving data and have it on the range. When it's on the range, press the OK button for about 5-6 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Release, and you'll see that there is a menu popping up. We had an inspection indicator. This one says reset inspection. Press OK. Reset inspection surface, and the surface interval has been reset. Do the check by ignition off, ignition back on, and you'll see that the inspection indicator won't show up anymore. So what did we do? Ignition on, find the range indicator in driving data, press for about 5 seconds. Range indicator, 1 moment please. Two, 3, 4, 5, and you'll see it's important to have this menu popped up, and you can find your own way. I think I want to thank you for watching our videos and hope to see you next time with another video. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.